Wait, you can print a house? When people hear 3D printing, they think small, tiny models, plastic parts, but now there are machines out there printing entire houses. I spent years operating the largest electric shovel on Earth in the mines, so I've seen big iron move dirt, but seeing a giant robotic gantry lay down the concrete walls of this massive piping bag, that's the whole different level of engineering. Now it's not as simple as hit, print, and walk away. You still need site prep, inspections, and labor, but the potential is huge. Faster builds, less waste, and a way to solve housing problem that isn't traditional construction. Just can't touch. Once you go from printing a toy on your desktop to printing a wall someone lives inside, you realize this technology has no intention of staying small. 3D printing homes became a standard. Would you live in one? Tell me why or why not.